let's look at something here for a minute. You've probably seen this before, but it's something you can't see often enough. Right here, I'm sure you recognize this Forex broker. Right here, it says 76.8% of retail accounts lose money. 76.8% lose money. So 23.2% make money. Now, making money might be $1, might be $10. Let's just say, for this purpose, making money would be doubling your account. And let's work from that for just a second. The next video will explain more about what my thinking. But focus on that. 76.8% lose money. And this is with a good broker. This is with a regulated broker. And let's see if we can't be in that 23%.